Hello, welcome back. For this one, I would like to share you some of the best apps that you should try on your iPhone, iPod, or your iPad. Now move on to the first one. It is an app that allows you to convert PDF into any files. For example, on the first section here, you're gonna see convert from PDF, which means that you can convert PDF to any file. For example, you can convert to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, image, and so on. And then on the second section here where you can convert to PDF, which means that you can convert from any file into PDF. For example, you can convert image or Excel or PowerPoint into PDF file. Now I'm gonna show you on the first one here. So I have the PDF file. Now when I click on it, it's gonna bring me into file apps. Now I can convert my PDF file into Word, so I can simply select on this one, and then you can see the process is very fast, and now it is converting. Now the file has been converted, and I can simply hit on preview here to preview the file that you have just converted. And if I go back to library, I'm gonna see the file that I have just converted. For the next one, if you like to change live wallpaper on your phone, so you can download this one. It offers you a ton of live wallpaper, and some of them are paid, but some of them are free too. You can just simply download it from here. I can simply select on this one, and now you can see it is animated. Now to download this live wallpaper, it is very simple. Hit on the download at the bottom, and now it is downloading. And once it is finished, you can go back to your camera roll. Now you can see a live wallpaper in my camera roll that I have just downloaded at the moment. You can also set it as a wallpaper too. Click on the share button. Then you're gonna select on use as wallpaper and make sure the live button is on. And after that, you can set for your lock screen, and I can force touch, and then you can see it is really cool. The next one is called shortcuts, and I think it is very useful for your daily usage. For example, I can force touch on the app here, and then I can simply jump into the app straight away. For example, I can go to the App Store right here, and you can see it launch the App Store straight away. Now to configure it, you can just go to shortcut, then go to configure quick actions, and after that you can hit on new, and there are a ton of actions that you can configure and select from here. For example, I can go to book, and then I can just simply swipe back, and I can force touch. Now you're gonna see book button at on 3D touch menu here. I can click on it. Now we will launch book straight away. I think this is one of the best widgets that you should have on your iOS 14. So what it does, it allows you to set a GIF on your widgets, and it is animated on your home screen. It is very awesome. Now to add it to your home screen, you can simply select one of them. Then you can give it a name. So I'm gonna type something here. So I'm gonna select on dot. Then I can hit on save. And after that, I can just simply swipe back and go to my home screen. Then I'm gonna go to edit mode. Then on the top, you're gonna see plus button. Click on that. Then you can search for with GIF, and right here, and you have two options. You have medium and small. So this one we're gonna go to small and click on add widgets, and after that you're gonna see it is animated right here. Now if you want an easy way to install a custom theme on your iOS 14, this is a very good app. It is called Icon Board, and it offers you some of the free theme as well. You can select on the store on the top right, then you can see here. So there are some of them, but there are not many, and I hope they will add new theme in the future. And for example, if you want to get this one, simply click on get this theme. Then you're gonna click on this red button, and then you can simply swipe back, and you're gonna see the theme that you have just add at the moment. So now to install it, you can simply go to the screen itself. Then you can scroll all the way down. You're gonna see export icon. Select on this one. Then it will pop up just like that. Hit on allow. And then you're gonna go back to your settings. And on the very top, you're gonna find profile downloaded. select on that, hit on install. Finally hit on install one more time, install. Then finally hit on done at the bottom. Then you can see the theme here. It is available straight away, and all of the icons are applied on your home screen. And for example, I can go to settings. Now it will jump into settings, and if I go to music, it will jump into music, as you can see. So if you usually change the wallpaper on your home screen or on your lock screen, Wally is a best app that you can get a new wallpaper. And you can see there are a lot of and a ton of wallpaper here. You can select from the section on the top where you can select on popular. You're gonna find some of the popular image, and I can just select on here. Now to download, simply hit on the download button, and then it will pop up just like that. You have resolution that you can select, and I'm gonna select on this one, hit on download. Then it will save into your camera roll. If you like to add filter into your photo, this is a simple app that allows you to add filter into your original photo. And you can see here there are many presets available, and you can swipe all the way down and scroll and find the one that you like, and after that you can select on it. And then we have crop and layer features as well, if you want to crop an image for yourself. And then you can simply hit on the check button, and you can save into your camera roll. Move on to the next one. It is a browser, and for this one it is very fluid. I'm talking about like jumping and going to the page and click on the button. It is very fluid in my opinion, so that's why I say you this one. For example, I can just type something and go to the browser here, and then I can create a new tab, and then I can click on the plus button here to create a new tab. And then we have some of the options available here, and you can change the app icon. You can select the theme. You can go either light mode or dark mode, depend on what you like. So it is very awesome, and you can also set it as a default browser as well. Move on to color widgets. This one it is very awesome. It offers you a ton of widgets, and with the dates and with a new design on it. So it is very awesome, and you can try it out. Widget Smith is very popular on iOS 14, so I think would like to share this one for those of you that don't know about this app. And what it does, it allows you to customize the widget for yourself. It has many functions, a lot of functions that you can customize yourself for your widgets. And on the very first page here, you can customize the small widget, medium or large, so depend on what you like. Finally, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you want to get more apps like this, so make sure you hit the like button on this video, and then I will see you guys in the next one.